the government in Germany decided actually to build in a country with no resources, like Germany is, to build up a strong research environment. And that's why they decided 60 years ago to build up some kind of 3 pillars of research. One is a fundamental research, and they created the Max Planck Society. Then they decided to put a lot of effort in an applied research, something like research who provides German industry with new inputs, and that they created Fraunhofer Society. And then the third one, which are the universities. Also, a director in one at Max Planck or Fraunhofer is at the same time also professor at a university. So they are trying more or less actually, to hit ad personam kind of bridges in between these 3 pillars of research. Now, innovation actually is attached to Fraunhofer, because that's the mission of that. Actually, innovation means actually that the results of what we are doing are going in products, and you make money out of it, or it's put on. It's not only it's not invention, it's innovation, which is a big difference in between the two aspects. The system changes also the KPI, the key parameters, indicators for institutions like Fraunhofer. You are, for example, very much appreciated based on licenses, based on patents, based on spin-off company you are created, less on journal publication, which is normally the quality required in a university and things like that.
So for you, the incentive is not only to discover something, but to put it in
the practice, yeah, to put it in product. You want to transfer it in the industry, and we have two ways to transfer. Either in the industrial partner who paid for the project we started, or by doing a spin-off, where the whole team gets out of the institute and create a spin-off and
like a new startup company.
Exactly. Yeah, and we have quite a lot of startup companies, and we have also exits. We sold these companies, which a couple of them brought us quite a lot of money, which we put again in research. We have actually to earn on the market from the industry 60% from our budget. And if you don't succeed that, your institute, is decreasing and becoming smaller and smaller and smaller, and at the moment in time doesn't exist anymore. And in general, if you look at the European programs, for example, the framework program, what you have, they always actually finance only 50% of what you need. So it's recommended in general actually to go with the industrial partner, which finance the rest on it. So the idea is to push by money of the government this type of relationship in between. That's what they are trying actually to do with their money, actually to build this relationship in between research institutions and or universities and industry. Even now, the government in Germany, they have programs on security, on whatever kind of programs, and they are requesting, actually they put some money into it, are requesting for proposals. So the industry is coming in general and they are requesting to have industrial partner and somebody from the academia or university or the research institute to formulate the proposal. And then if you are successful in formulating such a proposal and the government, chooses you in a combination with industrial partner, then you are working with this industrial partner for 2 years. And in 2 years, you know them very well. And this is the way actually where you interact very, very, very close. And what happens at the end is, for example, with Hitachi, we prolonged our contract, I think, 4 times. So we are 20 years already with them. Oh. So they are calculating with us. They plan us in their R&D planning. So it's not anymore, kind of, it's a lot of trust. We know the people. You can speak with them. You can do a lot of funny things because it's not very easy to work with Japanese, but we know how to work with them. So it's a lot of things which are already